Hi everyone, it's Winsome back with an origami video, and this is a really random Santa origami that I had shown before in another video. This one, which was technically unfinished, and I kind of like made up a couple steps, so maybe it's like different origami entirely, but I thought I'll make it since I made this and it's kind of cute the more I look at it, so I thought I'll show you guys how I did it. So starting off with a square piece of origami paper like usual, I picked purple, whatever colour you want. We're going to flip it over and fold it in half diagonally at first. And then we're going to fold the two sides towards the center line. Awesome. And then once you've done that, what you're going to do is fold the model in half, this point to this point here. And kind of just flipping it to the other side, we're going to fold the top here down to the bottom and back up again. And back up. And we're going to do a step fold, so not a step fold, we're just going to fold it slightly above the crease we just made. Cool, like so, as straight as possible. And then next thing what you're going to do is fold it down the other crease that you've made on top. And then what you're going to do is you're going to want to flip this model around like so, and then kind of like this. Actually, you're going to fold this down and like this, open this up and trying to open it around this and press down. I don't even know how to describe. Like, I saw the instructions, they were like 90 degrees, but I was like, I don't feel like this looks 90 degrees. So I'm not sure how to describe it. So this part is more like wing it, open this up, press down and get these creases matching this. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to squash this once you've opened it out. And as you do so, you may need to drag this more out because you want this to actually stick out the white part, but you don't want it sticking out too much, so it should just be a bit. But you also don't want this bending too far up because it should be hidden behind still. So about this much should be peeping out, and you repeat that on the other side, which is easier once you've got one down because you can just replicate it on the other side like so. So both sides look like this, and you're just going to want to tuck this in so you don't see them anymore. Cool, like so. And then the next part, which you're going to want to do, is fold the two sides behind, that and that flap. Fold them behind like so, and you'll see these two parts sticking out at the bottom. What you're going to do is you want to fold them up because they're going to make your little cute feet for your Santa. Like so. You might want to like press it down on the table as you do so, so you get the right shape. And then whilst you do that, you just want to bend this Santa back the body so that you can start trying to tweak it bit and bit to try and get this to stand up, basically. And then as you do that, you want to kind of fold the hat back just to give it, like, you know, something so it's not just like pointing straight up. So about this much of your hat should be folded. And then afterwards, you just gotta keep tweaking it bit by bit to try and get it to stand up. So finally like done tweaking it so it stands up now, but I'll lay it like down so you can actually see it. So yeah, I now have two little, like, I don't know, I just called them kind of like minimalistic Santas since they're like all quite triangular shaped and there's like not too much detail but enough detail to tell that it's Santa. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this origami tutorial. It's like I was looking at these instructions and like cut down a lot of the stuff to do with the hat because it was just so confusing and it didn't really add that much to the model. So it's like tweak to it to make it a bit more original. And yeah, I hope you all liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, write a comment down below any recommendations you want to give me, subscribe for more videos like this in the winter origami series. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.